Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to disable OK Google, first you have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down. Now we have to click on the Google option. Right here we have to click on all services, search assistant and voice, and now we're in the Google Assistant settings by clicking this button right here. Now we have to click on this button right here, option, Google and voice match, and here we have to click on this button, and that's how you disable OK Google option. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!